Hey everybody, I want to make a quick video on me cracking some of the cards open that I got from the Target haul. Adjust my light there so you can see what we got. We got the 53 Chevy, we've got the 15 Mustang, the AMG GT, the cool combi. We've got a bumping around. And I've got a special car from a set that you've seen, so you'll see it at the end. But yeah, let's get going. The oldest casting that I have here, the cool combi. So there we go. Wow, just like the treasure hunt. Trying to adjust the light here. We can see what we're working with. Got the Moon Eyes logo on it. Surf shop. Surfboards. I like this one better than the treasure hunt casting because of the wheels. So yeah, there we go. There's one. So let's get to another. And let's do this guy. I've been waiting to pop this guy open. One of my favorites. I have the other variations of it also. Just barely had these sealed up. There she is. I really like this one. Got a nice white, almost pearl paint job on it. Is that hood open? It does not. Okay, so there we go. Could not remember whether that hood opened or not. But it is louvered. It is a clear hood. Very 50s hot rod. Got some cool color scheme there going with the red edition. So there we go. Gonna have a 50s car show there in a second. Alright, let's move on to the AMG GT. It's one of my favorite ones. I've been dying to crack this one open too. There we go. Probably my favorite find of the weekend. It's got that really nice green color. Red wheels. Really pops. Just that color. It's going to make for some good pictures on the Instagram channel. So if you haven't checked that out, Instagram.com/Diecast Addicts. So there we go. Now we're down to the last one, other than the super special one that I'm not going to reveal yet. Okay. There we go. We got it covered back up. 2015 Mustang GT. It's the new car in the L casting, or in the L cases. I believe the L cases, yeah. So, got a little tampo roughness on that one. A little scratch on it, but still cool. I like the yellow wheels. Reminds me of Celine Mustangs, if you remember those, or if you know anything about those. That's the 2015 casting, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I need to get some either some touch-up paint on that one, or maybe just get some acetone and wipe the tampos clean off of it. Make an all-black car with some white side graphics. It may be kind of cool. But alright, so here's the last one. It's the Monte Carlo from the Decade set. So it's going to make some people mad, I'm sure. Wait. We've got a treasure hunt open still. I'll go ahead and pop the 80 Monte Carlo out. Got a little excited. Move the treasure hunt over. There we go. Checking it out. And it's super cool. Nice matte silver paint job on it. Silver metallic on it. Some red pinstripes. Very 90s. Dale Earnhardt vibe to it. It's a cool car. It is plastic. Unfortunately, I believe it's plastic. It feels plastic. Maybe not. Plastic base, definitely. It's just a very light casting. When you guys get yours and unbox them, you'll understand what I mean. It may be metal. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the body's metal. The base is definitely plastic. It's got those wheels again. So, alright, so open all the realistic-ish cars. And we'll pop the bumper car today. And here we go. See this case, this was in the crusher. The end cap bins that they're putting in all the Walmarts now. They're terrible for collectors. I mean, look at that. And I pressed this one out. I tried to get the curve out of it. Luckily, I found 2 of them, so I'm not too disappointed about doing this. Congratulations! This symbol means you have just found a collectible treasure hunt card. Remember, guys, that's what you're looking for. That and the flame logo somewhere on it, on a regular treasure hunt. So there you go. She's pretty. Got a nice metallic on it. Got the weird blue wheels. I can dig it on this though because it's a fantasy car. The nice antenna. Let's get a close up on them. So there you go, guys. Just a quick little 7-minute video or so. If you like what we're doing here, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hope to see you guys again. Have a great week.